Hello second years, welcome back to maths class. Previous class we solved lot of problems based on center and radius. 2 marks problems we solved, so many problems. I think you practiced all the problems and you are getting the answers also. They are very simple. So slowly you are following the center and the radius, general circle equation, all those things in circles. So today we will deal a small topic. Its name is parametric equations. Definition of parametric equations and problems based on parametric equations. What is meant by parametric equations of a circle? Observe here, circle is there whose center is C and this is the radius and it passes through the point Px comma y. Suppose this CP makes an angle theta with Cx dash which is parallel to OX, then those x and y values can be taken in terms of theta. Those are called the parametric equations. Once again, one circle is there, its center is CH comma K. You know it, the center of the circle is denoted by CH comma K and radius is R, right? So then CP, it passes through the point Px comma y. This CP line makes an angle theta with Cx dash which is parallel to exactly Cx dash is parallel to OX, right? Then we can denote x and y values in terms of theta. So x is equal to h plus or minus r cos theta and y is equal to k plus or minus r sin theta. These are called parametric equations. So by using these parametric equations we will solve two problems. So come to the first one. So what is your first question? Obtain the parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1. So for this circle we have to get parametric equations in this form. So first you write down given circle equation is. What is given circle equation? It is x square plus y square is equal to 1. It can be taken as x square plus y square minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing that, is in the form of which form? General form. Is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Compare, there is no x term here, so we will write 2g is equal to 0. No f term is there, so 2f is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 1. So g is equal to 0, f is equal to 0, so c is equal to minus 1. With this you can write your center. What is the formula for center? Minus g minus f. So it is 0. Actually minus 0, minus 0. For 0, negative means 0 only. Next you find out your radius. Radius is equal to, already you know the formula, it is g square plus f square minus c. So is equal to root of g square 0 square plus f square 0 square minus c minus of minus 1 is equal to root 1 is equal to 1. So why we got center and radius? To get parametric equations we need center. If CH comma K is the center and R is the radius, then we can write the parametric equations. For that sake, first find out the center, radius, then you write parametric equations. Therefore, parametric equations are, what are the parametric equations? With the center, right? So center is 0, 0, radius is R. your formula x is equal to, what is the formula? H plus or minus r cos theta, and y is equal to k plus or minus r sin theta. So here in this problem, what is C h comma k? C h comma k is center, that is 0 comma 0. So in this place 0. Therefore finally parametric equations are, what are the parametric equations? X is equal to h is 0 plus or minus r is 1 cos theta. So is equal to 0 plus or minus cos theta, that is cos theta, or you can take plus or minus cos theta. Next y is equal to, what is the formula? K plus or minus r sin theta. So 0 plus or minus 1 sin theta. So y is equal to sin theta plus or minus sin theta is the equation. So these are the parametric equations, x equation and y equation. So very simple, just compare the circle equation with the general circle equation, find out your center and the radius. Why we have to find the center and the radius? With the center h comma k and the radius r, we can write our parametric equations. That's why we have to find the center and equate center with the h comma k and substitute in the question. You will get your answer. Now come to the second question. What is your second question? See, obtain the parametric equations of the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. So again, given circle equation is, what is given circle equation to you? X square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0 is in the form of, which form? General form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Compare and find out center and radius. Why? Again question is obtain the parametric equations. So whenever parametric equations, we need center and radius. Center should be equated to h comma k. So 2g is equal to 6, 2f is equal to 8 and c is equal to minus 96. So g is equal to 6 by 2, f is equal to 8 by 2, c is equal to minus 96. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So center, what is the formula for center? You know it, minus g minus f is equal to minus 3 minus 4. Now find out radius is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to root of g square 3 square f square 4 square minus of minus 96. So is equal to root of 9 plus 16 plus 96 is equal to how much? 25. 25 plus 96, 121 is equal to 11. We got the center and radius of the given circle. Now we have to find the parametric equations of that circle. So if we know the center, if we know the radius, we can easily write the parametric equations. So come on, parametric equations are, what are the parametric equations? Now only we got it, x is equal to h plus or minus r cos theta. So is equal to h. So here where center or here center, what is our center? It is denoted by ch comma k is equal to, what is the center? -3 -4. So your values are h is -3 plus or minus, what is the value of r? 11 cos theta. Next, y is equal to k plus or minus r sin theta. So what is k? -4 plus or minus 11 sin theta. So these are the parametric equations of your second equation, second problem. So first one, this is simple, x square plus y square is equal to 1, and second one is in general form, find out center and radius and take the parametric equations. This is about your parametric equations. Next we will go to one small topic. When two ends of the circle are given to us, how to write the circle equation. When two ends of the circle are given to us, how to write the circle equation. So end points of the diameter will be given to you. They are called extremities of the diameter also. End points or extremities. So suppose one circle is there. So end points of the diameter is given to you. Suppose end points of the diameter given to you. How we will write circle equation? So first you take the formula as note. How? If x1, y1, that is first point, and b, x2, y2 are end points of diameter. What is the diameter? AB. Then circle equation is, if two ends are given to you, how we will write circle equation? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. When two end points are given to write circle equation, we have to take this formula. So now come to the third question, today's third question. Find the equation of the circle whose end points on diameter are 1, 2 and 4, 5. 2 marks question, right? Most repeated 2 marks question. What is the given information to us? Given that A, x1, y1. What is that? 1, 2. And B point also given to us. B, x2, y2 is equal to 4, 5 are end points of diameter. What is the diameter? AB. Then equation of circle is, now only you got the formula. Equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. You know what is x1, what is y1. Substitute. X minus x1 is 1. X minus x2 is 4 plus y minus y1. y1 is 2 into y minus y2. y2 is 5 is equal to 0. Just simplify x into x, x square, x into minus 4, minus 4x, minus 1 into x, minus of minus plus 4. Similarly, y into y square, minus 5y, minus 2y, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. Now write in the order, higher order terms, x square plus y square. Now x terms, minus 4x minus x, minus 5x. Y terms, minus 5y minus 2y, minus 7y. Next 4 plus 10, 14 is equal to 0 is the required circle equation. So today we discussed about definition of parametric equations and problems based on parametric equations. Then when two endpoints are given to us in a circle, endpoints of a diameter are given to us, how to write circle equation. This is the formula, and we did one problem based on that formula. So two endpoints, you got it, just substitute in the formula, you will get your final circle equation. So practice the problems and don't lose the connectivity with the topics. That's all for today. Have a nice day.